That absolutely could not be a skateboard.
100%. Looks sick, right? Okay, we are here today at Michael's, the greatest store in the world, second only to
Target.
Of course, Target is the best. Actually, in my personal rankings, Home Depot #1, Target #2. Is Michael's #3?
Honestly, Michael's is my #1.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. What are we doing today?
Well, we accidentally dressed like twins.
Truth. Because Halloween is coming up and this shirt is on fire.
I'm sorry, what was your question?
What are we doing?
We are pranking Gabe.
This is your idea. I had nothing to do with this idea. It was all you.
I want to see if we can actually get him to believe us.
So Chloe thinks that we're gonna go in here and make some kind of skateboard collaboration situation in such a way where we can prank him. Createology. Eyeballs?
Oof. There's gotta be something we could do with that. Except for he won't believe it.
You don't think so? Wiggle eyes. One on top and one on bottom.
Or both on the top. Oh, I kind of want to do that, but he's not gonna believe it.
Should we do those big ones?
Yeah, do huge ones.
I mean, not a bad idea, to be honest.
Do you think
Wiggle
he'll
eyes.
believe it?
No. Gabe is a genius. He'll know even before we have the box open.
Like, we want to get your honest reaction to this board?
Like, he did say, what are we filming tomorrow? And I said, well, I did have a board that was sent to me. I have no idea what it is, but I can say, oh, we're actually doing a product opening for new Braille products. Right?
He's gonna believe it.
So what is that?
Heat transfer, they're vinyl. Heat transfer vinyls.
What's that mean? I
Well,
have
we
no
can't
idea.
do heat transfers.
Right, because we need heat, and we're the opposite of heat. We're ice cold.
So ridiculous.
I know, stupidest joke in the world. But you laughed.
I
You
did.
laugh at literally anything.
I think this is the only way he'll believe it is if it's Braille blue.
Yeah, true. That's very convincing, to be honest.
He's really gonna buy it.
Yeah, Braille blue with these green eyeballs. We need one for the top and one for the bottom.
Okay, but what about this? We make it a Christmas deck.
Deck?
Wait, all this is heat transferred. Oh, they're all heat transferred, but still we'll have to iron it on.
Does that work?
I don't know if it works with wood.
I don't think I have an iron.
You don't have an iron. I'm sure Danny has an iron.
Danny, do you have an iron? Leave it in the comments below. And then B, don't we just hot glue gun this down?
It's a heat transfer.
So? What does that
Okay.
even mean?
Well, because you use heat to transfer it.
Oh,
That's what it means.
well, don't we use heat transfer graphic grip tape? I mean, graphic boards? Isn't that all of our boards graphics?
Yeah.
Okay, so it works then.
Yeah, with a heat transfer machine.
Okay, should we get neon?
We should, although he absolutely won't believe it if we do that. See, it shows an iron. You use an iron.
Look at this, so cool. Boo!
Okay, let's see the eyeballs. Which one would look the coolest? Probably this one, huh?
Yeah, I mean, there's probably enough here where we can do the top and the bottom of the board now. Glitter heat transfer vinyl is iron-on HTV glitter chosen by decorators and crafts workers worldwide for its ease of use, brilliant sparkle, and array of available colors. I guess we just give it a wang danga.
I think so. That
Well,
one
we-
looks grippier.
I don't think it matters the grip. Where we're going, we don't need roads. You tell me you know what that's from.
Where we're going, we got Jurassic Park.
Great Scott!
Leave it in the comments below right now. You guys know the drill. You know what to do.
I don't know.
This one.
Okay, that's the winner. I was just thinking Jurassic Park because the eyeballs.
Yeah, blame it on the eyeballs.
Do you think you'll believe it?
No.
Should we get the head?
No.
We're just drawn to that thing. Why do we want it?
I don't know.
Do you think you could make it look realistic?
No, I don't.
I
think
you
it would look
could.
horrible. I mean, I'm quite the artist, but rock grip tape? This grip tape rocks. Metal wire grip tape? Michael's. I don't know why we didn't do Michael's prior.
I know. So cute.
Or should we make a skateboard out of this? This right here could be a skateboard.
That absolutely could not be a skateboard.
100%.
We should do a Christmas board though.
Leave it in the comments below if you want a board for every holiday. Should we get him this? Because he loves Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Just for fun.
Yeah.
Okay, deal.
Oh, and this is like the snake from Harry Potter.
Yeah, that is a big skeleton. Tell me I'm wrong.
You're wrong.
Okay, we got everything. Gabe is gonna be completely pranked. He's gonna be like, what the F? You guys got me.
Totally believable.
Completely. Well, I hope at least he's like, oh, this is cool. This is your new graphic. I love it.
You think he's actually gonna say that?
No, he's gonna be like, Aaron, you're an idiot. Be like, it's true. That's just like a statement of like, the sky is blue. Okay, we got the eyeballs, we got the glitter, we got the board, we got some trucks and wheels. I think this is a go. The only thing we're not sure about is if this needs to go with this is like an iron-on situation. But how good does that look? But how do we get this down?
Oh wait, is it sticky? Oh, it is gritty.
So how do we heat transfer this to the
You
board?
put it on there, you apply the heat to the top, and then you peel off this top part. That's how you do it.
Big enough just for the board.
With a hairdryer, maybe.
Can you grab me a hairdryer? We wanted it for the top too.
I know.
We thought we had enough, but we don't. And why do I have a feeling that this is somehow gonna not work?
I mean, I think the hairdryer won't work. Yeah.
Won't work?
Yeah.
So we couldn't just hot glue it down.
I've never done this before.
So like that, and then these eyeballs are gonna go like,
Oh, it's gonna look so cool.
well, Chloe, I'm impressed with you. I guess we just go full wang danga. We don't think it's gonna work. Not gonna lie to you.
If not, then how do we do it?
So wait, so just heat?
Just try it. But you gotta push it down with your hand. Like your hand has to be like the iron.
My hand is not an iron. 5 days later. Blow dryer didn't work, big shocker. Now we're going with the hot glue gun. I love how we turned into an arts and crafts channel overnight. Is this gonna work, Chloe?
I would think so.
I need to get that glue out of there. 5,500 videos, they finally figured out how to use a glue gun. Wow.
If only you had an iron.
Chloe's like, for sure you have an iron. I was like, trust me, we don't have an iron. I don't even think we need to smooth it out, to be honest. It's monster eyeballs.
You know a girl is now on the channel and you have a cute pink glue gun or crafting.
I know, what's wrong? Roast me in the comments, please. Okay, I think that's good. Success? Oh my God. It is the most glorious thing I've ever seen. You know what I just realized?
What?
This is supposed to be the grip tape. We're putting it on the bottom. Look at that. What do I work at Zoomies?
This can be our Christmas board.
Is that a satisfying noise?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
That is really cool looking.
Actually, it's pretty cool looking, isn't it? And also, that would be pretty sick grip tape, I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, we definitely have to redo this with an actual iron and see if it will actually work. Leave it in the comments below if Gabe will believe that this is a new graphic. Like that, right?
No, that's not quite right.
What?
I don't know, it looks weird on here.
Right. Oh, it's so badass. What? I think we nailed it.
Okay, good.
So, where do you want the eyeballs? Like high like that? Or like in the middle?
Oh yeah, that is way better.
Looks sick, right? So sick.
She's totally gonna buy it.
Yeah, definitely. They'll be like, wow, you guys really outdone yourself this time. Wow, Aaron, you did a great job. Sometimes you just need to give yourself some credit. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks cool.
You better be serious.
I'm dead serious.
The coolest skateboard we've ever made.
It looks really cool.
It actually does look really cool. He's gonna be very impressed. He's gonna be like, wow, you really outdid yourself this time. Leave it in the comments below if we should make this an actual graphic.
I actually want to now.
Yeah?
Now that I see it.
Look at it this way.
That will only help you with your tricks.
Board slidability. Yeah, that is sick.
Maybe he will believe it.
Yeah, maybe he will. Okay, so we're here with Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
Okay.
Chloe has been working very hard on her graphic design.
Okay.
And she has made what she considers to be the future of skateboard graphics. And she has in this box what she thinks is the best thing that has been made in skateboarding since sliced bread. And she wants you to open it, and she wants you to tell her what you think of said graphic. I think he likes it. I think he likes it.
I see the vision. It's
Look at that, though.
it's I will say it is one of the most unique graphics I've ever seen.
Yeah?
This is a blink and you miss it graphic.
I don't know what that means, but okay. You see, you can even shake it. See the eyeballs, they're moving. Look at that. You can do a kickflip
are
and
you
the
trolling
eyeballs
me?
are moving. No.
Is this?
What do you mean? That's fire.
I gotta give my shout out to Chloe. This is funny.
Sparkles and everything.
Yeah. The only thing that would make it better is if you had sparklers right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's good though.
In the sun is even better. Look at that.
It looks better from further away. That's brilliant. It's looking right. It's the eye of Sauron.
Yeah, it's true. He said, is that a fishing lure or what? I gotta do at least one trick on this. Oh! Okay, you ready? First try kickflip for Chloe. Oh no! Oh no!
Wow, dude. This is handmade.
Handmade? What do you mean?
This is mass produced.
He's like, no, it's not. You like it, don't you?
I'm not gonna lie.
Don't lie. Tell me the truth.
Definitely like it.
Wow, I got it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, slide right off. Now let's get the eyeball. Let's see what would happen. Flatten it. Okay, well, I think Gabe likes it. He said, are you trolling me? The answer to that question was yes. Yes, we are. Okay, so Chloe and I went to Michael's. We had an absolute blast making this board. Obviously, it was crazy. Total joke. I think Gabe's reaction was perfect. He goes, are you trolling me? And I was like, He knew, and we had the bet. We knew he would knew it was a joke. But okay, this board is rad. Leave it in the comments below. Do you guys want to see us make some more DIY craft skateboards or what? Let's go.